Welcome to week 3, lesson 3 of Coach Taylor's COVID-19 math lesson. Today we'll be discussing surface area of pyramids, cones, and spheres. I trust everybody's doing okay. I hope that this finds you well. Let's get started. So, like I said, surface area of pyramids, cones, and spheres. Again, surface area is the area of all the surfaces of an object. On pyramids, to find the surface area, you're going to take 1/2 of the P times L plus big B. Or you can take P times L divided by 2 plus big B. The P is the perimeter of the base. The L is the slant height, how high it is from the edge of the base to the top of the pyramid. In this case, it'd be 9 foot. Okay, and then big B, of course, is the area of the base. In this case, on this example, we have a square. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to define all these parts and give them measurements. So P, let's find P first. The perimeter of the base. The base is a square, so this side's 5, this side's 5, this back side would be 5, and this side would be 5. So to find perimeter, you add up all those things, which gives us 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20. So P is 20. Okay. Now we're going to find the slant height, which we know because it's given to us. So L is equal to the slant height of 9. Okay, now we're going to find the area of the base. To find the area of a square, you multiply the length times the width, or the length times the width. It doesn't matter in this case. So we're going to take and we're going to multiply 5 times 5, which is going to give us 25. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to plug all those numbers in. I'm going to plug 20, 9, and 25 into my formula up here. So surface area equals big P, which is 20, times L, which is 9, divided by 2, plus big B, which is 25. 20 times 9 is 180, divided by 2, plus 25. 180 divided by 2 is 90, plus 25, which gives us a grand total of 115 feet squared, since it is an area measurement. Okay, any questions? No, nobody raised their hand. All right, moving right along. All right, in this case, this is a pyramid also, and it is a triangular pyramid because the base here is a triangle. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to define our parts first. So we're going to give our parts. So we're going to go find P. Again, is the perimeter of the base. In this case, that is a triangle. So here I have 12. Here I have 12. And this back side is also 12, because it would be the same measurement as that. So I'm going to take 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 36. So P is 36. Okay. Now I'm going to find L, which is the slant height. That is on the exterior of the pyramid, which is right here, and it is 7.8. So L is equal to 7.8. And then I'm going to find big B. The base is a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, I multiply the base times the height, and I divide that by 2. The base is 12 times the height of the triangle, which is right here. That's 10.4. And I'm going to divide that by 2. Now that's going to give me 124.8 divided by 2, which is equal to 62.4. So I got P, L, and big B. Alright, now I'm going to take and plug those in. So to find the surface area, I take P, which is 36, times L, which is 7.8, divided by 2, and I'm going to add big B to it. Okay, 36 times 7.8 is 280.8, divided by 2, plus 62.4. 280.8 divided by 2 is 140.4. Plus 62.4 is equal to 202.8, and it would be yards. So it would be yards squared. And that is how you find the area of surface area of a pyramid. Okay, moving on. A little simpler one. Surface area of cones. Okay, to find the surface area of a cone, you take pi and you multiply it times r, which is the radius, times L, which is the slant height, plus pi times r squared. R squared again is r times r. Okay, so we have all our measurements. So we don't have to really do much. We don't have to multiply anything else right now. So we're just going to take and we're going to find out what this is. Alright, so let's do this right here. Alright, I'm going to go surface area equals pi, which I know is 3.14. Oh, messed up. Times the radius, which is 6, times the slant height, which is 15. And I'm going to add that to 3.14 times the radius, which is 6, squared. Alright. 3.14 times 6 times 15 is 282.6. I'm going to add that to 3.14 times 6 squared is 36. Alright, that gives me 282.6 plus 3.14 times 36 is 113.04. Add those two things together, and I get 395.64 centimeters squared. Okay, moving on to the second example. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Alright, surface area equals pi times the radius, which is 12, times the slant height, which is 26.8, added to pi times the radius squared. Okay, 3.14 times 12 times 26.8 is 1,009.824 plus 3.14 times 12 squared, which is 144, is 452.16. Add those two things together, and your grand total is 1,461.98. And since it is inches, I'm going to go inches squared. And that is how you find the surface area of a cone. All right, last example. Probably the easiest example. Here I got a ball. We call that ball a sphere. Okay, to find the surface area of a sphere, I take and multiply 4 times pi times the radius squared. Again, the radius squared is the radius times the radius. So I'm going to go surface area of this ball is equal to 4 times 3.14 times 12 squared. That's going to give me 4 times 3.14 times 144. Multiply all those together, and you get 1,808.64. And since it is feet, you're going to go feet squared. And that is how you find the surface area of a sphere. Again, folks, it's been nice teaching you. Hope you have a good day, and we'll see you next time.